Hi there. So today we'll be talking about our project Learn You Fly for CS 424, and you can see on the left side is our menu system where on the bottom there's a unit and time. The unit is just to change the kilometers to miles or miles to kilometers, and time for 24-hour to AM to PM. So let's start with the first tab, arrivals and departures. Here you can see selecting a month to visualize, and you can from 1 to 12, which is January to December, and you get departures and arrivals for a day of the week by hourly, and you also get graph representation in bar form. Also, there's a month-to-month comparison where you can see heat maps comparing of departures and arrivals within Midway and O'Hare, and additional heat maps for the week and hour. And you can see that in this section we have the heat maps have individual numbers for a better value representation. Same thing goes for arrival and departure, except this is for airline data. And you can see airlines being for departures for O'Hare and also being departures for Midway. There's only 3 airlines that even go to Midway. So also there's a month-to-month comparison of the heat maps for Midway and O'Hare. Delays, you can also visualize the type of delays in each month. So and you get breaking down to O'Hare's delays per hour and also Midway's delay per hour in a graph representation form as bars. Then also you get a month-to-month comparison with the delays. And also you can see what kind of delay types there are. So carrier delay, weather delay, NAS delay, security, and so on. Here, in the top airport section, you can choose a month to visualize, and then you get the top 15 common airports for O'Hare and Midway, and you can get it in bar graph representation form. And here you'll see also a heat map form of comparison of the top 15. And also you can see the top 50 airports. So you're choosing between airports, and you will get arrivals and departures for the selected airport. Same thing goes here, except it's for airline. So you choose a specific airline, and then you get visualization data on O'Hare and Midway. So you can get a few choices from United, American, and so on. Here you can choose an individual date to input, and you will get graph data on arrivals and departures by hourly, and also get a heat map for visualization for that. Same thing goes for here, except this we are breaking it down by day of the week. Here we have a travel to and from Illinois map for arrivals and departures from Illinois, and you can see they're pretty similar, and there's a reason for that. We'll get into that later on. Here we have our 10 interesting days, and we have chosen 10 premises of holidays that we anticipated that there was going to be a high level of flights happening. Here is a place where you can see the flight distances and arrivals and departures from those distances. And there's a bar, dot, and plotted form. Flight facts. Here you can visualize the data from an airport and get furthermore analysis by choosing a specific airline from that airport, which gives us much more deeper data and is much more interesting. And that's it. Thank you for your time.